This is right here.
Everybody, look what I have.
Let me see. That wasn't long enough. What is it called? Break open Real Geodes. Or instructions. This is just the instructions. Crack open with hammer. Alright. So what we're doing, we don't have protective glasses. We just have sunglasses. Are they? Okay, so just pull them out.
Got 2 of them. I want to get 4 of them.
Well, we're just getting 2 right now.
Yep.
So, here.
Okay.
So, to be safe, wear some protective eye gear. You gotta crack it in half.
Like that. Just
Keep going.
Oh!
What do we have there? Take your sunglasses off. Look, it looks really awesome.
Some of the crystals got out. Ooh, but
That's okay. We can.
Oh my!
That's really
gosh.
pretty. Here, let's put them in. Let's put them in here to keep them safe. Okay.
Okay.
This one looks really cool. It's like a. What color would you say that is?
Just like a clear.
Like
white
diamonds
clear.
almost.
I hope it's diamond. Guys, this looks like this one looks like the one on here, the instructions.
Mm-hmm. All right, put your glasses on.
Oh, almost smashed it.
Let me put mine on. All right, let's go.
My precious.
Careful.
Oh my gosh, it's just rolling. Roll it, roll it, roll it. I am worthy. No. I am worthy, people.
Don't smash your hand. Almost.
Oh my gosh. How? This one's hard. How about this?
Mm-mm.
What? This one's hard. What?
Want me to try?
Yeah, no. One more. I am worthy. Roll it.
Oh my gosh. No, not on your leg.
What?
Hold on. Let it stop.
Okay, yeah, you do this. Why is it so hard? Where is it?
Oh, I'm scared.
Don't break.
Oh, I'm scared.
Actually, what am I saying? Hopefully, we need to break it. That didn't even move. Oh my gosh. What? You are worthy, Mama. No, what
the heck? I don't understand.
This one was so easy and we got a good one of that. But this is so hard. Is something wrong with that? Kind of the same, okay. Okay, but it's more like a dark clear. Okay.
Sorry, it kind of smashed into little pieces.
Okay,
That's all the pieces, though.
That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I thought this one was unbreakable.
Whoa, so pretty, though. Look at that inside of there.
That was hard.
Yeah. I felt pieces of the rock flying at me.
When we get the 4-piece, that's gonna be long. I thought it would give us this purple shiny thing.
Well, good job, little one. Are you satisfied?
Yep.
Awesome.
Very satisfied.